'Twas the night before our Disney cruise. This is now becoming a tradition. Every time we're getting ready to go on a trip, I need to share it with you, and we need to do 'Twas the night. It is going to be a tradition here on our channel, and I'm really excited to be with you today. We have packing to do. Like, this whole big space is filled. Our trip is the day after Thanksgiving, and so tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so it's Thanksgiving Eve. So we're not going to have much time tomorrow. It's going to just really be, you know, making sure we have everything, double checking everything, loading everything up. I really want it to be a family day. I do have some editing. I'm gonna be editing this video because this video is gonna be coming out while we are on the ship, and I'm excited to share it with you guys today. So, my packing was a little different. So as I'm packing things, I'm gonna talk with you guys, kind of show you some key things. But really, all in all, you gotta be on Instagram. Instagram got loads of good stuff tonight. They got to see all of the outfits that I packed. I didn't show anything of like the kids. I didn't really show anything of my husband's. You guys did get to see in my previous videos what I typically pack for Disney World and stuff like that. There are similar things. My Amazon haul, my favorite things that I buy on Amazon. All of those things typically always come with, but we gotta shove it in some bags. Every time we go on a trip, my husband is like, can we just, everybody has their own bag. And that's kind of our allowance of what we bring. That kind of just makes things easier, which there's 4 of us, which means minimum 4 bags. It does get to be a lot, but you know what? It's an 8-day trip. We gotta bring some stuff. We do have the opportunity to do laundry as well on board. I would prefer not to do that, but we have brought enough clothes if we need to, you know, do a load here and there. I'm perfectly fine with it. I don't really feel that we will be doing that. I do believe it is like $6 a load, somewhere around there. From like the research that I looked up, I was very curious as to how much all of that costs, and from what I can see, it was about $6 a load. So let's go ahead and get everything packed up. Number one thing that I have by my side, which I'm going to now be sleeping with, cuddling with, not forgetting it. I'm half tempted to just put it in the car, but my luck will decide to change cars that we bring. And that is our boarding passes, that is our passports, all of our identification, everything is going to be on here. This is our keys to Disney Cruise Line. This is the keys to our cruise. So if we don't have this, we're gonna have a hard time. So I am making sure that is by my side 24/7 these next, I guess 2 days. It wasn't really that 'twas the night. 'Twas 2 nights prior to our trip. Well, let's go ahead and start packing. I am not using my packing cubes this time. Just didn't feel the need for it. Sometimes I love them and I have to have them, and sometimes I don't. I keep changing this and it just still keeps going crazy. The only time I do use a packing cube religiously is for like my undergarments. I don't know why. I don't like to show them to you, obviously, so I just put them in this bag specifically every time, and it works perfect. The other thing I do want to show you guys is having a bag like this. This one's from Target. They came out with a backpack version this year. It really is great. It has a little slit to go on the back of your suitcase, you know, when you're rolling it, but it holds so much. I showed you guys this on our Disney World trip. You want to bring a bag like this for, you're not guaranteed to have your luggage until the ship is leaving. So if you plan on going swimming, if you want to change your clothes for dinner, if you want different outfits and things like that, medicines, anything that you're going to need until you don't have a bag, or your bags are to your room, because you might get to your room and your bags aren't ready yet. You want to make sure you have a bag like this that's going to carry out those things. My husband's going to bring his Disney backpack. I'm going to have my backpack as well that's going to have my chargers, my laptop, and all of those things will be specifically in that bag. Our sunglasses, those kinds of things, medicines. We're gonna keep in those, but this is an awesome one. Like I said, I showed this to you guys in our Disney World vlog, and it's bomb. The other thing that I always for sure bring is an extra duffel bag. We like to take trips before Christmas, apparently, because every time we have at least one of these bags filled with Christmas gifts. I have the kids like pick out different stuff because it's really unique merchandise. It's unique toys and that. So I have them pick out some Christmas things and I bring it home and I wrap it, and then I know they're gonna do what they want. I have my Lululemon bum bag ready to go. That is going to be my purse the next couple days, and it's going to be on my person. My son's sunglasses, ready to go. So I have a nice big suitcase, and I need to get to packing. I always start by just folding it, putting things into piles, and then seeing if it all fits. I think it's gonna fit that way this time. If not, we're gonna go ahead and roll it. It is going to be a little trickier for me too, because I have now started to know like a workout plan. So I need to be bringing extra clothes just for that, to be making sure I have all of my sports bras, my workout stuff. I'm just bringing different outfits, I guess, for my workouts. I'm not gonna wear those to like dinner or lunch or breakfast then. I wake up very early in the morning. I wake up at 4:25. I don't know if I'm going to be waking up that early on this one. I did announce this, I announced it on Instagram. We did actually get though main dining, which is what we wanted. I would like to do late dining or second dining sometime. I think I'd like to do that when it's just my husband and I though, for sure, because it's a little different with the kids. And when we have late dining, I don't know, I'm like, are the kids gonna be good? Comment down below, do you guys prefer main dining? Do you guys like late dining? Do you guys just eat at Cabanas every night? Like, what do you guys do? I'm very, very curious. I told you guys, these are like all just like leggings and like a couple shorts. I'm bringing some stuff. But I mean, it's all fitting fine, like I'll be fine. I just realized I packed my outfit that I'm gonna be wearing the day of. I'm gonna pop some pictures here on the screen of how I decide to pack and like what I know to bring and how we kind of all stay organized. I think I told you guys this before, is I usually like take pictures and then have like numbers on it, or have like day 1 a.m., day 1 p.m., something to that effect, just because it really makes it easy in the sense that I know that, you know, day 1 on the ship, we are gonna have an at sea day, and I can go ahead and just wear this. Also, I'm gonna link these flip-flops. These are so Disney, but they're so cute. They're not. They're Jeffrey Campbell. I got these at Nordstrom's with the big bow. I could not bring them. And I like the little square toe. They're super cute. So I plan on wearing those quite a bit. I did bring a like just comfortable basic pair of sandals. There's some outfit specific stuff I kind of needed, but I mean, all in all, yeah, you guys, like, I mean, she's heavy, but it's fine. It's totally, totally fine. Jace?
What?
Are we leaving a swimsuit out or no?
What?
Are we gonna leave a swimsuit out for the day we leave or no? I don't think so, right?
A suitcase out?
Swimsuit.
No.
No, I don't think so either.
No.
We always say that we're gonna go swimming the day that we get on the ship. Typically it's too cold because I know you guys think like Texas is like hot all the time. It's not. Like I'm from Minnesota. There's a wet cold. It is not going to be like that when we're leaving. But yeah, it's always the debate. We always pack it. This is gonna be the one time we're gonna be like, yeah, we wish we would have had our swimsuits, and not like we have them in the check bag, but not like I said, like on my person to where like they don't take it and then have it go through security and everything, and then they bring it to your room. Do you guys know that process? Let me explain that process and maybe that'll make more sense. So what happens is on the ship, let me get more comfortable. On the ship, when you're getting to port, you'll have a port arrival time. And I wanna say ours is like 10:45, something like that. I think we have an earlier boarding group. I don't remember our boarding group number. I don't even know actually if they told us our boarding group number. But we have our port arrival time. And then at that port arrival time, I think it's like 10:45 to 11:15, something like that. And then what happens is they are going to, we can get there and then we pull up to the first part of the port and we drop off our luggage. The luggage that we kind of want basically is checked bags. It'll go through security and everything, and it is delivered to your stateroom door on the outside. Like it'll sit in the hallway. It is the best thing ever. Like the best thing ever because you don't deal with it at all. So that, especially when like you're driving and you're local like us and we're going from like our home to our car to dropping it off, like that is so easy. And then we will have it delivered to our door. But then, like I said, I think the ship leaves at like 4:30. So then let's say we get on the ship at 1, 2 o'clock. There's a good chance that there's at least 2 hours that we're not gonna have our luggage. And we're not gonna wanna get into our luggage too. Like we're not gonna wanna like unpack at that time. I mean, I kinda do, but at the same time, typically we don't. And you don't get into your room either until at least like 1:30. So there's a period if you want to get straight on the ship and like go to Cabanas and like go to the pool or like grab, you know, food at the pool. I mean, guaranteed 90% of the people when they're first getting on the ship, they're going to eat. I mean, you're gonna have to do your assembly station, but then you're going to eat. So in that period of time, you want, like, we've had it to where our kids have had a headache or we needed sunscreen, sunglasses, change of clothes we spilt, things like that, that you just kind of want in that time period. But we always say we want our swimsuits and then all of our pool stuff, and we never use it. So we added another bag. I don't think it's like a super big deal that we needed to do this, but it does just make our life easier. I had that cooler bag, that Disney Cruise Line cooler bag, and it was filled. Like there was a lot of stuff in here. And one thing that my husband has really taught me, and I mean, take it for what it is, and do what's gonna work best for you guys. I just am sharing what we do, but like, I really do truly feel that like, if you just feel better having these things, have the things. If you just feel better going and bringing a couple different options for one day, just do it. Just do what's gonna make you feel better. I have a really hard time with that. I really, really do. I always feel I'm like, well, we could be more efficient and we could do this and we could do that and, you know, less caring of things. I literally just went on and told you guys how easy it was with the luggage. But in my brain, I'm just like, no, we don't need to do this. And my husband looks at me, he's like, it's not a big deal. We don't have to take care of it. Yes, it's more tipping, but who cares? It's going and supporting someone else and they're helping us out. I do want to show you these that I got. I found these after I had already made the Amazon Essential video. So they're window clings and I'm hoping to reuse them. If I can't, they were just a couple dollars, but they're just like little stickers. I don't know if I'm gonna bring these actually. They're more stickers than I kind of thought. I better not. I better keep these for at home, but they're really cute. They're little Disney. They more seemed like they were window clings than anything. I don't know, maybe I'll bring one. I don't know. I wasn't gonna put it on the walls or anything. I was gonna, no, it seems like a sticker. I better not. They're so stinking cute though. Like, look at this, you guys. Adorable. Like, this is even like my favorite one. Like, look at this. They were like under $20 for a big pack of these. Adorable. I am not gonna risk it though. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna link them. A fishing weight? Yeah, you know people fish in this house. I'm gonna link these down below and you guys can make your own judgment and decisions. And of course now I can't get things to fit right. But they're really, really cute. They were super inexpensive. Maybe I'll stick them on a window. I don't know. I'll look. I'm gonna just set them in here for right now. But this has like all of our room decor. I don't want my son to hear. All the magnets and everything that I showed you guys. They're all in here. And we bring a lot of magnets. We go ham. We definitely have a lot of fun. So the only thing really I have left, this is an overflow bag. We're gonna probably check that. I have this thing, which is awesome. It is all of like my filming stuff. So but you guys use it for all your techie stuff, whatever you want. You can do kids' toys and action figures, and they can like make this super organized. But it's great because it holds like a ton of cords. There's like a zipper pouch in here, and then it separates to this big open spot, and it's like Velcro. You can have it separated and divided however you want. And then there's all these little pouches in here, another zipper pouch. Your like an iPad or a really small laptop, like mini laptop could fit in there. I don't know, I thought it was a really good deal. It was very inexpensive off Amazon. I should have put that in the Amazon Essentials videos too, because it really is awesome. And I have a small one that's like just the size of this top part. They're really great. I do have this. I might have the character sign in here, and then they can, I don't know, they can go ahead and do it that way. I'm bringing it as a backup. It's actually my notebook. Oh, I need to slowly take off this tag. I got this on, I think you guys saw this already. It was in the haul. Oh, it was the outlet haul. I think it was in part 1, and I got this. It was $9.99 and then $30 and $10. Remember that whole conversation? It was super inexpensive. I thought this would be something really cute. It was full price $22.99. I see another sticker. But it's a really nice book. It's a really nice book. So I'm gonna bring this with. I got it for myself to like do notes in that for filming or anything I need, but I have an idea for kids to get autographs, but if it doesn't work, this is gonna be my backup. And it is super cute. And it's something too that they can go ahead and put like a picture in here and then their autograph by it. So just a cute little option. You don't have to do the expensive autograph books. This has like all different things, Jungle Cruise, a snack section, a ride section. It's really, really, really cute. Like I said, it was so inexpensive. I like this. So I have this in one of those little bags. I have 2 pens in here. I do want to show you these. So I have shown this, I think this was in the last was the night before Disney. This is the allowance, and I got myself one. This is the allowance of the kids' stuff that they get to bring. So Blakely has this exact same one, and then my son has like a dinosaur one. I got it from Pottery Barn Kids. They were on clearance. They still have them, but they're the wet dry bags. So they're kind of lined with the plastic inside, so it's great if anything spills. You can do snacks, whatever you want, but what I do is I give my kids an allowance of the things that they can bring. So they can bring one stuffy, and then anything that fits in here is whatever their heart desires. They can bring toys, little coloring things, stickers, which I don't really like. I hate stickers and slime. That's just not my thing. Anything that they want though, that they want to play with, little action figures, things that little drive me nuts. I get no say. It just has to be able to close, and it has to fit in this little pouch. So that's something. I do have my laptop case. I think that's kind of it. I'm excited to show you guys. I'm doing like Disney streetwear, and I'm trying to do, some of the things are non-Disney. I think I only have like 4 outfits that are non-Disney. But I'll try and do better. I have a full-length mirror in the room, and no judging if the room is messy. We don't judge here. I will show you guys more outfits of the days, because I'm trying to do a Disney streetwear meets Disney genie outfit that likes to be comfy, but then also like non-Disney clothes. I'm trying to do like a little variety. But I think that's gonna be it. I feel very good. My husband is in our room packing up our son's bag. I still need to do our daughter's bag, but I need to match all the bows with all of the outfits. But I think that's it. I hope you guys, at time of filming, like I said, it's the day before Thanksgiving, so I want to wish you guys a very special Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are very thankful for all the things, your health, wealth, happiness, family, all of the above. But if you've enjoyed this video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Harley came up just in time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and I will see you guys on our Disney cruise. Bye guys.